Looking for a lighting switch that blends seamlessly with your home's style while offering reliable performance? The Lutron Claro 3-way switch delivers exactly that. Designed with a large paddle for easy use, it's perfect for controlling lights and motor loads with confidence and convenience. This switch fits any designer-style opening, making it simple to replace your existing switches without hassle. Plus, the coordinating Claro screwless wall plates and accessories come in a wide range of colors, 7 gloss and 20 satin options, to complement any decor effortlessly. What sets the Claro 3-way switch apart is its compatibility with the Diva line from Lutron. Pair it with any Diva 3-way dimmer to control lighting from 2 locations, giving you flexibility and seamless operation throughout your space. It's a smart solution for bedrooms, hallways, and living areas where multiple switches are needed. Beyond style, the Claro switch handles all general-purpose lighting and motor loads, making it a versatile choice for your home. Whether you're turning on the lights or adjusting motorized fixtures, this switch responds smoothly and reliably every time. Customers praise its dimming capabilities, especially appreciating how it minimizes disruptions for those with different schedules. The large paddle design is not only easy to operate but also adds a modern touch to any room's aesthetic. If you want a switch that combines practical function with designer appeal, the Lutron Claro 3-way switch is worth a look. Its broad accessory line means you can complete your setup with matching switches, receptacles, and wall plates that create a polished, cohesive look. Ready to upgrade your lighting control? Try the Lutron Claro 3-way switch when you're ready to add style and convenience to your home. It's a straightforward way to enhance your living space with trusted technology and elegant design.